Today's topic is squares and square root, exercise 5.4. Third main is find the square root of the following decimal numbers. First question 2.56 they given. Here it is decimal number, so 2.56. This is decimal number. From here we have to do grouping two numbers. From this number, 2 number, again 2 number, again 2 number, like this. Whole number we have to start from unit place. Unit and next number 10th place. If it is there, we have to do grouping here. If it is not there, only one digit is like one group we have to make. So this is one group of number, this is one group of number. So here any number if you write the same number, we should start here also. So 1 ones are 1. Now do the subtraction. 2 minus 1, 1. Again we have to bring this group of decimal number. So we have to bring 56. This point is there, so we can keep here point. 1 plus 1 is 2. So here any number if you write, here also we should write same number. So I will start here 6. Here also 6. So 26 into 6 will multiply and check. 6 6 are 36, remaining 3. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. So same number we are getting here also. When we do subtraction, we are getting 0. Then the square root of 2.56 equal to 1.6 is our answer. Here square root of 51.84 is there. So decimal number this side, that is unit place and 10th place is one group. Here 1 by 10 and 1 by 100 is one group. So here 51 we have in first group. So which number will write? Same number we have to start right here also. So here 6 if you write, 6 6 are 36. 7 if you write, 7 7s are 49 is near to this. So 7 7s are 49. Now do the subtraction. Now 51 minus 49 is 50, 51. So 2 is remainder. Again 84 we have to bring down. Then 7 plus 7 will get 14. Any number if you write here, the same number we should write here also. This is decimal number we are bringing here. So point we have to keep in this place. So 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. 1 2s are 2. Now do the subtraction, we will get 0 here. So our answer is 7.2 is our answer. Same like that you have to do remaining sums in this main. Fourth question is find the least number which must be subtracted from each of the following numbers so as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect square so obtain. First one 402 they given. 402 we can write like this, and this is 2 is one group from unit and 10. This is 100 is separated. So 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 4 will get 0. Then we have to bring this group of number here, that is 0 and 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. Then compared to 2, 40 is greater. So 0 we have to write here also 0. 0 into any number will get 0. So 2 minus 0, 0 we are getting a remainder. So this 2 if we subtracted from 402 we will get only 400. So 400 means we will get here 2 2s are 4 and same 0 we have double 0. So we can write here one more 0. So 2 plus 2 will get 4. So here 0 into 40 also 0 will get. So we will get 20 into 20, 400 will get. So we know that if we subtracted the remainder from the number, we get a perfect square. Here we get remainder 2. So 2 must be subtracted from 402 to get a perfect square. So 402 minus 2 we get 400. 400 square root is equal to 20. Otherwise 20 square equal to 400. Third question, 3250 they given. So 3250, if you take a group, unit and 10th place is one group, 100 and 1000 is one group. So 5 5s are 25. If you do subtraction, we'll get 7. Then bring this 50 here, 750. 5 plus 5 is 10. Then 7, if you put 7 sevens are 49 we can write, and 1 sevens are 7. So when we do subtraction we are getting 1 is as remainder. So we get remainder is 1. 1 must be subtracted from 3250 to get here perfect square. Therefore 3250 minus 1 equal to 3249. Square root of 3249 is equal to 57. Fourth question, remaining sums you have to do your homework. Fifth minus, find the least number which must be added to each of the following numbers so as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect square so obtained. First question is 525 they given. So 525 we can group unit and 10th place is 1 and 100 place is 1. So 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Again 25 we have to get down. So 125 is this 2 we should add with this. 2 plus 2 is 4 and 2 times 42 into 2 we get 84. Remaining 41 is there. Suppose 43 if you write it like this. 43 if you write like this we are getting 129. But more we have here 4. That 4 when we do subtraction, that is 125 minus 129 we are getting minus 4. That is 43 into 3. So 23 square we get 5. This minus 4 we should add with this. So 525 plus 4, 529 will be. Since remainder is 41, so 22 square will get less compared to 525. Next perfect square number is 23 square. 23 square is equal to 529. 529 means 4, this remainder 4 we have to add with this 525. Then 525 plus 4 is 529 will get when we add this remainder here. Then hence the square root of 529 is equal to 23. 1750, this is one group, this is second group. So 4 4s are 16. 17 minus 16 will get 1. Again we have to bring 50 here. Then 4 plus 4 will get 8. Then 1 time only will get 81 into 1, 81. Then remainder will be 69. Then if you try for 82 here, again in this place 2, that is 42 square we have to find. Then here 4 4s are 16, 1 is remainder, again bring 50. Then 4 plus 4 is 8. 82 and with multiplication with 2, 82 into 2, 164 we are getting. Then 164 minus 150 is minus 14 we are getting. So before we got remainder is 69. Therefore 41 square is less than 1750. So the next perfect square number is 42 square we have to try. 42 square is 1764. With this we have to do minus 1550 because we got question is this. So we are getting 14 as remainder. So our question plus remainder when we add, we are getting 1764. So square root of 1764 is 42.